Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Glowing star, while all eyes are on this week's Galaxy Unpacked event and the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, some juicy leaks have surfaced about Samsung's next-generation foldable phones. Let's dive into what the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might have in store for us. Last month, Korea's ET News reported that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could ditch the S Pen digitizer, essential for the stylus to work on the foldable screen. This move aligns with Samsung's aim to make their foldable phones thinner and more portable. Samsung Foldable News Summary. Triple Fold. Production of components starts in Q2 this year, with a launch expected in Q3. Production volume, 200,000 units. Display size, between 9.9 and 10 inches when unfolded. Foldable lineup, total of 4 models launching this year. Recently, known sources at Reeve and the Elec backed this claim, suggesting a high chance that the digitizer won't be included with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. If true, future Samsung users might need to charge their S Pens separately from the phone. Last year, Samsung gave us a glimpse of this challenge with the ultra-thin Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in Korea. That limited-release foldable dropped the digitizer layer, meaning no S Pen support. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 follows suit, Samsung will need to innovate a new input method. But that's not all. The leaks also shed light on Samsung's triple fold device. Component production is set to begin in Q2, with a launch alongside the rest of Samsung's foldable lineup in Q3. This aligns with earlier reports about the triple fold phone debuting this year. The display is expected to be between 9.9 to 10 inches when unfolded. Recent Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 updates. We've heard a lot about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 lately. However, Samsung aims to cut production of their foldable models by almost 40% due to the underwhelming sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Despite this, leaks suggest the new models will feature displays similar to the Z Fold 6 SE.